Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from CoinDCX to Binance. So first of all, you want to go ahead and CoinDCX and click on funds right there and click withdraw because you want to withdraw from here. After this, you want to go ahead and select the coin which you want to withdraw. You can go ahead and select search basically here, click on, for example, for today, let's choose Solana. From here, you want to go ahead. Is the receiving wallet owned by you? Yes. As you can see, the transfer network is BEP20, and now you need to enter the address. So you want to go ahead to your Binance, and at the top you will see deposit. You just want to click right there, or you can also go ahead to your assets. If you don't see this button, go to your assets and also click deposit right there and deposit crypto. Now you want to select the same coin which we want to go ahead and withdraw from here. Select the network, so the network is BEP20, so it's this one. And now you will get your address. You're gonna copy it, go back to CoinDX, enter your address here, enter the amount you want to go ahead and withdraw, enter the password and click on send. And after this, your cryptocurrency will be here on your Binance. You will find it on your assets. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.